Struggling to manage and track player performance records effectively? Don't worry, the solution is here. With our evaluation system, coaches can assess every player across the factors and skills that define winning performance. More importantly, they can provide each player with a clear development plan, professional guidance, and a focused path toward improvement. To begin, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Evaluation tab. Here, you can view previously evaluated players along with a complete list of players registered in the system. Looking for someone specific? Use the search bar or apply the available filters to find the right player quickly and efficiently. Once you have located the player, click the Evaluate button to open their evaluation profile. From there, select Add New Evaluation and begin a complete assessment of the player's current performance. Each category is rated on a scale from 0 to 5, with 0 representing the starting level and 5 representing the highest standard of performance. For this demonstration, we will award the player a score of 5 in every category. The evaluation begins with technical skills. Next, assess the player's movement and footwork, followed by their tactical ability. You can then evaluate their physical attributes before reviewing the psychological factors. Together, these categories create a complete picture of the player's current abilities. The coach can also create a personalized quarter plan for the player. This plan outlines their upcoming goals, training priorities, recommended improvements, and the steps they should follow during the next development period. The quarter plan will be visible to the player, giving them clear direction, stronger motivation, and a greater sense of purpose every time they train. Because champions do not improve by guessing. They improve by knowing exactly what to work on next. After completing all ratings and adding the quarter plan, review the information carefully to ensure that every detail is accurate. Once everything is ready, click the Submit Evaluation button. The new evaluation will immediately be saved to the player's profile and displayed in the Evaluation tab, creating a clear and professional record of their progress. With meaningful ratings, expert feedback, and a focused development plan, every evaluation becomes more than just a score. It becomes a roadmap to better performance, stronger confidence, continuous growth, and a winning future. Evaluate the player. Guide their journey. Build the champion.